Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel, and I'm going to be showing my advent calendars every day. This is December 1st, so this is the first time showing it. I did take a little video separate from this because you can see these are giant. I have the Ipsy 25-day calendar, and I also have the Space NK calendar, 25-day calendar, and this is even too big to fit in the frame. So I took video of them that I'll put at the end of this video so that if you want to see what they look like, you know, in full, so to speak, you know, without, you know what I mean, just the view of them, if that makes sense. Anyway, tonight on my Friday night gab, I will explain, I'm doing a game with the advent calendar that I did with my advent calendar videos that I did last year, and you all really liked it. So it is called the Christmas Treasure Hunt. So it's going to start now, today. And so let me open up the Ipsy. Like I said, I'm not going to be showing you everything. There's this pretty little tray and all, and you'll see all that in that video at the end. This calendar did get a little damaged, but here's what's in box number 1, day number 1 for the Ipsy calendar. And I did open the whole calendar on a separate video if you want to just speed through it. But and I did, you know, just so that you could see it, I received this as a gift from a wonderful subscriber, Betty Vick. She's become a good friend of mine, and thank you so much, Betty. This was just above and beyond for her to send this to me. I wanted to show y'all in case you wanted to buy it for yourself or for a family member or a friend. And but I also like to open every day, so I did put everything right back in place. And Betty she took such great care of me with this one, with this wonderful calendar. I'm excited to open it again. It's going to be, I'm not going to remember everything in there, so this is going to be fun. This is the is a sheet mask. This is the brand Pacifica. That's a good skincare brand. This is Disobey Time Rose and Peptide Facial Mask. So I'll probably be doing this very soon on a Mask Monday. You know, and so it feels really good in there. So I like Pacifica products. So that is day number 1. And then let me move this calendar out of the way, and we'll go to the Space NK Beauty Calendar. This calendar, y'all, I've wanted for a while. It is quite a fancy calendar. And it's something that, you know, that I splurged on for myself. I don't know that I can do it very often. So I'm happy to get it. So I know what's in here because I went to the website and saw everything, but I have not opened this one yet. So they do send a brochure that tells you everything about what's in here. And oh, I thought it would tell me the value, but it is not. Hang on a sec. The Space NK calendar came all the way from the UK to me, and the value is $1,300. So let me find number 1 here. It's big. Oh, wow. It's a big one. It says just what the doctor ordered. And how does that open? You think that would open that way, but it doesn't. Okay. This is Dr. Barbara Sturm. This is a cleanser, Molecular Cosmetics. So this, the brochure does not tell me what everything, all the pricing is, but this is a gentle everyday cleanser, is formulated with soothing panthenol and aloe vera to help gently lift away traces of the day. So I'm excited about that one. It is shrink wrapped, so I'm not gonna open it right now. So I'm excited to get that. So that is my advent calendars for today. You don't know what's going on yet unless you played last year, but this right here is going to be our first item. So you'll watch tonight. Hopefully you'll be able to watch tonight's Friday night gab. I won't be live. It'll be videotaped. It is already videotaped, and it'll go up tonight at 7 o'clock Central, which is 8 o'clock Eastern time. And this is the first item. Glow recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I'm using this right now. I really like it, but I ended up with several of these, so I don't want them to go bad, so I want to pass them on to you. So listen to tonight's video and find out more about that, okay, y'all? And thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. And I'm super excited about these calendars. Super excited, y'all. Thanks so much, y'all. Count your blessings. Bye-bye. I have 2 advent calendars. This is the Space NK, and look at how big it is. And when you open it, there are all of our drawers. It's hard to get it to, I can't get it to stay open, but I wanted you to see it because it's awfully hard to show in a video when I'm sitting down. And then this is the Ipsy calendar. I've already shown this calendar. I've opened it up, but I'm gonna open it up each day. This is a cover for the whole thing there. And then here is the Ipsy box, and you open it this way. And then these are, it goes in order, which is really sort of nice. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 12. And then there is a second shelf, if you will, and it goes in order, 13 to 24. This one goes, oh, I'm sorry, 25. This one does go to 25. So this is going to be fun to open, and this one goes to 25 as well.